Welcome to our talk on the 8 laws of money. These laws have been proven to help people get rich, and today we'll be discussing them one by one. 1. Law of wealth. The more you save, the more you can invest. This principle means to save a portion of your income and use it to grow your wealth. 2. Law of mentality. Believe in yourself and your abilities to achieve wealth. Develop a positive mindset and be persistent in your pursuit of financial success. 3. Law of time. Treat money as time and value it the same way. Make use of your time wisely by allocating resources to projects that generate the highest return. 4. Law of demand. To get rich, you must first create demand for your products or services. Be aware of your market and identify areas where there is a demand for what you offer. 5. Law of networking. Building relationships with successful people in your industry can open doors to new opportunities and lead to financial success. 6. Law of quality over quantity. Focus on producing high-quality work and giving your best effort to achieve greater results. Quality will always pay off in the long run. 7. Law of resilience. Embrace setbacks and failures as learning experiences. Keep pushing forward and use these experiences to improve and grow stronger. 8. Law of compounding. Invest in assets that have the potential to grow over time and watch your wealth compound. This will help you achieve financial freedom more quickly. In conclusion, following these 8 laws of money can help you unlock your potential to get rich. Remember to believe in yourself, value time, develop a positive mindset, and make smart decisions with your money. Good luck on your journey to financial success.